So this is the garlic rolls. This is 100% hard white wheat. Because I want to taste the garlic, the herbs. I don't want to taste the bread. I just want to taste. I mean, you're still going to taste the bread, but it's not as flavorful as the red.
Well, white's bland.
Yeah, it's a more bland, kind of like white corn and yellow corn. The white corn's more bland than yellow corn. You could certainly do 2 parts hard white and 1 part red if you wanted to. The muffins, if I'm going to do a lemon poppy seed muffin, I'll use soft white. If I'm going to do pumpkin muffins, banana muffins, I use the soft red, or I use the Ezekiel mixture mostly for my muffins and pancakes. It has red wheat, spelt, barley, millet, lentils, and beans. So we rolled out the dough. This was 1 full recipe, all right? Basted it with the olive oil mixture. It's in your handout. Brad puts a ton more garlic and Italian seasoning than that recipe says.
More is better.
Yeah, sometimes.
This is a place where more is better.
So now he sprinkles it with more Italian seasoning.
More is better.
He's going to cut it down the center, and then he's going to cut 1-inch strips or thereabouts, maybe 3/4 of an inch, just so the rolls don't get huge. If you want huge rolls, my son actually didn't cut it down the center, and he made huge rolls and kind of squished them down a little bit and made sandwich buns. And then now he's just going to roll these little rolls up like a sleeping bag, tuck and roll.
I'd really push these down into the countertop when I'm rolling. I really squish them down, and what that does is that causes the insides to squirt out the sides.
You don't have to do them that way, but Brad might call you and check on you. Some people roll them up real gently and they look like a little snail or a pinwheel.
That's wrong. That's just wrong.
If you want them that way, that's okay.